How to fix Messenger video call sound. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix Messenger video call sound. So guys, for this you have to go to your Messenger application and then you have to click on your profile icon. Now scroll down, you can see here sound, notifications and sound. Click on notification and sound and then you can see here notification sound. Click on notification sound and then you can choose your sound here. I'll choose this and then click OK, and now you can see here free call ringtone. Click on free call ringtone and you can choose this. So now press OK. Now press OK and go back to your menu. The problem will be solved. Thanks for watching.